Welcome everybody to this PaceMed tutorial. My name is Dr. Mohammed Luqman. We will be looking at the abdominal system today.
Begin the examination with inspection by starting at the foot of the bed, maintaining your eye level on the level of the abdomen. Look at the shape of the abdomen, abdominal movements with respiration, and any abdominal swelling. On close inspection, use your pen touch and look for any scars in the abdomen. Look for any caput medusae. Look at the umbilicus. Although not shown in the video, you should inspect for hernial orifices. Ask whether the patient has any tenderness.
Do you have pain anywhere?
Start with superficial palpation by starting at the left lower quadrant and going through all the 9 quadrants of the abdomen. Assess for any tenderness, guarding by looking at the patient's face. Then start with palpation, going through the same movements, and look for any tenderness, guarding, or any intra-abdominal masses. Palpate for any enlargement of the kidneys by ballottement. Put your left hand on the posterior aspect below the ribs and your right hand anteriorly, and press the kidney in between.
Take a deep breath in. Exhale.
Now palpate for the spleen by starting with the right lower quadrant, going towards the left upper quadrant. Palpate for the liver by starting with the right lower quadrant, going upwards to the right upper quadrant. Assess the age of the liver for regularity or irregularity. Assess liver span by percussing from the right lower quadrant and percussing from the 5th rib. The normal margins of the liver are between 6 to 12 centimeters in mid-clavicular line and 4 to 8 centimeters in the mid-sternal line. Assessed for any shifting in dullness by percussing from the umbilicus to the flank of the patient.
Turn on that side.
And telling the patient to roll over on the side and percuss again. The note will change from dullness to tympanic when rolling over in patients with ascites.
Put your hand here.
Do the fluid trail in patient with ascites, which will be positive.
That's okay.
Auscultate for any renal bruit in the right and the left renal arteries. Auscultate for bowel sounds and also the abdominal aorta. PaceMed is a medical education platform that is student-focused. We have several programs that are dedicated to medical students from year 1 to year 6. We have online question banks, that is OSCE question banks, history-taking question banks, MCQs. We also have programs for KMPDC students who are foreign trained, and we also have programs for medical officers undertaking the postgraduate exams. Our core values are reflected in our motto, which is Docendo Decimus, which is by teaching, we learn. If you want to learn more about us, follow us on our channels in YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and look at our dedicated website for more.